Grindr, the popular dating app for gay, bi, trans, and queer people, has been blocked in some countries due to government restrictions or cultural norms. However, there is a way to bypass these blocks and access Grindr using a VPN, or virtual private network. In the description you can find the links to the best VPN for Grindr. A VPN works by routing your internet connection through a server in a different location, allowing you to access websites and apps that may be blocked in your current location. To unblock Grindr using a VPN, you first need to choose a reliable VPN provider and download their software onto your device. Once you have installed the VPN software, you can open the app and select a server location where Grindr is not blocked. This could be a server in a different country or region where Grindr is allowed. Once you have connected to the server, you can open the Grindr app and use it as you normally would. Using a VPN to unblock Grindr can be a useful tool for people living in countries where the app is restricted or banned. It allows individuals to connect with others in the LGBTQ+ community and find support, friendship, or even love. However, it is important to remember that using a VPN to access blocked apps or websites may be against the terms of service of the app or website, and could potentially lead to consequences such as being banned from the platform. It is always important to use a VPN responsibly and ethically. In conclusion, if you find yourself unable to access Grindr due to government restrictions or cultural norms, using a VPN can be a helpful solution. By connecting to a server in a different location, you can unblock Grindr and continue connecting with others in the LGBTQ+ community.